Hello and welcome to the lecture on Boomi core offerings. I'm happy to have you here in this lecture. The objective of this lecture is to help you understand Boomi core offerings in detail. Without wasting another moment, let's dive deep into the subject. In this slide, we are looking at the core idea behind Boomi's main capabilities. So think of this slide as a summary of what Boomi helps you do in the real world. Boomi provides 5 major abilities that almost every organization needs today. First is integrated systems. Second is automate business process. Third is manage enterprise data. Fourth is expose APIs. And fifth is use AI for smarter integration development. So let me break each one down with very practical example so that you can clearly understand why these are so important. First is integrate systems. This is the most common use of Boomi. Company uses many systems like CRM, ERP, HR, finance, e-commerce and more. And none of the systems talk to each other naturally. So Boomi acts like the digital bridge. A practical example is a retail company wants their Shopify online store to update their SAP ERP automatically when a new order is placed. And Boomi fetch the order, transform the data into the correct format and updates the SAP, all without manual effort. Next is automate the business processes. Boomi can also automate multi-step workflows that normally requires people to copy, paste or send emails. A practical example is an employee joins a company. Instead of manually creating an HR record, adding the employee to payroll, creating an email ID, creating an Active Directory user, Boomi automate all this step in one flow. This reduces error and speed up the onboarding. Next is the managed data. The data exists in many systems and each system may store it differently. So Boomi helps maintain clean, consistent and unified data. A good example is a company has a customer record in Salesforce, Oracle DB and SAP, but the names and address are different in each systems. So how Boomi data management will help you? The Boomi data management capability helps build a single golden customer record which resolves duplicates and sync updates everywhere. Next is expose APIs. So modern applications, mobile apps and partner integration depend heavily on APIs. So Boomi let you build APIs directly in the platform. A practical example is a logistic company expose an API to its deliver partner so that they can check real-time shipment status. Instead of exposing internal system directly, Boomi acts as a secure gateway and an API provider. Next is use of an AI. Boomi comes with AI features that help you build integrations faster and smarter. A practical example, if you integrate SAP and Salesforce, Boomi AI can automatically predict the field mapping like customer name to name, postal code to zip, email ID to email. This saves a lot of time and helps beginner build integration faster. That's the high level view. Let's move to the next slide where we simplify this into 4 official capabilities area of the Boomi platform. We have seen this previously in the previous lecture, so I'm just going to elaborate more on this topic. First is integration and automation, data management, API management and Boomi API. I'll just give you a single liner for each of it. The integration and automation is to connect application and automate the process. Data management is to maintain clean, consistent enterprise data. API management is to build and secure enterprise APIs. Boomi AI is AI-powered design, recommendations, and productivity. Well, that's the end of this session. I hope you are now familiar with Boomi core offerings. Well, that's the end of the session, so let's wrap it up. By now, you should be able to explain Boomi core offering in your own terms. Thank you so much for your attention listening till the end. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye and take care.